Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is the 11th of August 2025, and this is the week two of the 100K to 10 million naira challenge. So the first week have given us a lot of challenges. The market has been ranging, and it's a known fact that the market ranges 70% of the time, and 30% of the time the market tends to trend in the two directions, which is bullish and bearish. And we found it really difficult for the first time, the first day of the challenge, second day, third day, fourth day, and now we're in day eight. But last week, Friday, we were able to get in on a trade on CHFJPY. We had anticipation to go bullish. We were against the mid-term trend, which was bearish, and we were going to, counter trend to get into a buy position, and we did. Sadly, today the trade went against us. I'm going to share my screen with us so we can analyze the trade together. This is a CHF trade. Uh, let's About 2 hours ago, we hit stop loss on this trade, and it's really sad. The first trade of this challenge, and we actually we're not able to have a positive equity. And scale up on our balance. But it's all good. That's the beauty of trading, the ups and the downs. And that's why you have a very good system. And you have someone to guide you like myself, the chieftain, the FX chieftain. And I'm here to guide us and help us with the best risk management possible to keep our account, keep our account in a good way, so we're able to take more trade. Yeah. I'm trying not to speak too much English. That's the basic thing. And so let's see what we did wrong and let's see what we did right. So we had so many things that got us into this trade. The diamond pattern, we had the divergence, we have the aggressive candle on the H4 that broke out of the diamond pattern. You understand? And we had this area that's been tested before. We anticipated a run on liquidity so we can get out of this position and anticipate the sell, but this did not happen. So sadly, the market, range, attempted to break higher, but no, it decided to go even lower, which is good. Why did we get into this trade? Reason being, the market has been giving us consistent lows, lower highs, lower lows, and now the market got into a demand level and now has created equal what? Relative equal lows. This is seen as a pool of liquidity, you understand? And now we anticipate the market to do like a pullback into a level, a premium level, and change character and what sell even lower, which is what we anticipated, but the market has liquidated us. But the market can still do the same thing. I said something earlier in the video I sent to the group. I said if this market is not broken on this level, it's just liquidated, it will still go back to our position. But regardless, we already put a stop loss here at this demand level and we cannot change that. Okay, guys, so what did we do wrong? One thing I feel I did wrong was I could have waited for this candle here to have broken this high and has shown that it is really to go higher. And I should have gotten in at, after it breaks the high, I should go in at a pullback, which would be a retest on this diamond structure low. Then, just anticipate to get. And I would have gotten in here risking very little and what taking a profit even higher. So that is one thing I felt I should have done, that I did wrong. And another thing I did wrong was I normally should not take a trade because of this challenge. I could do this on a personal account, but on this challenge, probably I should have kept the risks very minimal because we lost more than the percentage we agreed to lose, which is 5K. We lost about 8,000 naira. So this is about 3K higher. So we lost about 2%, and that's about the total of two trades. But it's all good, it's all fine. We're going to be able to recover it back in our next trade. Hopefully, we get a very good A plus setup. One of the things I also did wrong was I didn't wait for an A plus setup. This wasn't an A plus setup, but I wanted to get us in on a trade. So, we can get the whole energy and, just push with it. But regardless, we move forward with this. So what can we do differently? We can just allow the market to realign itself. The market has given us all the confidence to go higher. Now we just wait for the market to do all the needed things it wants to do, and wait for the market to get into this level so we can sell short CHFJPY, following the trend. Now we also have Euro USD. If you look at Euro USD has been bullish, it's been bullish, right? From the daily time frame, clearly became bearish. The market broke aggressively with the candle, reacted, and now the market went really aggressive and did not give us an entry. And we've been waiting for this buy on Euro USD. So now the market could not even get into the supply level to sell back down, but the market looks like it's coming way lower. And you know, what we've been anticipating is for the market to seek into this level and give us a structural shift and the position to get in to buy. So this is what we've been waiting for the Euro USD, and this is what I plan to do. This is an A plus setup, and hopefully it goes our way, and we are available to take it at the right time. Okay, so this is Euro USD. This is also GBP USD. Some similar to the Euro USD, GBP USD. Like I said earlier, I wanted to give us a straight last week, but we're not able to get it. But now we can see the market is still ranging. So the market hasn't really given us all of the all of the criteria to tell us its true intent, whether it's coming here, but all I'm waiting for is for the market to go lower so I can buy low. And I mean I can buy low till all of this liquidity above is taken. So I'm following this roadmap just right like this. So this is what I'll be following. Also, we have the new pair I added, GBP CHF. You can see we're also waiting for a sell on GBP CHF so we can buy. And this is all we'll be waiting for. This is also an A plus setup. The structure, break of structure, liquidity, change of character, imbalance, inducement, then other block. So this is a classic FS shifting uh, entry, A plus entry, and with divergence, we should be able to get in on a good setup and have very good risk to reward. Also, we have XAUSD. This guy has been ranging and ranging and ranging, and it's just so crazy. This is what XAUUSD, and the market was bullish, bearish, breakout. Now it's been ranging. All I'm waiting for is market to fall into a level of demand so we can buy. This is a whole lot of inefficiency in the market. So the market is likely to come down. Apologies. Market is likely to come down, shift structure and go higher. If all of this happens, it's going to be what an A plus setup, and I'm just sitting my hands and waiting. So please, I'm not going to be eager to take any trades anytime soon. All I want to do is wait for the market to align and get on this trade. So it might take time, you know. And when we get into our season, when the market is trending, which is where our edge works really good. The edge of the chieftain's tribe works really good. Telling you guys, it's gonna be gold. All right, so I'll see us later. I want to thank us for being consistent and always watching this video to get information. I love you guys. I'm going to send you the trade results for this CHF attached to this video. So it's transparency. Bye guys.